How to use AI to help manage risk in crypto trading. If you're not already familiar, CoinGPT is an AI crypto trading assistant. It's free, it's a Telegram bot, and if you're not already using it, the link is in the description below and you can follow along with me. The great thing about this bot is it is built to help crypto traders manage risk, get key levels and a direction whether you should buy, sell, or indeed stay neutral and not make a trade, because quite often that is the best trade, no trade. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the bot as far as risk management is concerned. And there are plenty of other videos as part of this series. You can learn about all the features in more detail. Here we go. So what we're going to do, you can click any one of these coins, as you may know, or you can type a coin down below. Let's, for example, do, I don't know, BNB, or I could have pressed it there. There's many ways to find coins, but everything is clickable. So we can see on the 1 hour time frame, it's giving us a bias long. We could of course change the time frame there and it may give us a different signal. And you can see that in terms of take profit, it's 15% to the upside, which includes my current leverage. And that's because I have auto trading set up. Again, you can learn about auto trading in another part of the series in another video. And the stop loss is 8.85%. But the point is you've got nearly a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So that's a nice trade setup. You could take action on that manually in your own trading exchange, or you could use the auto trade one-click feature of CoinGPT, which would help, of course. Now, we know on the 1 hour time frame we have a long signal. What about if we used a different time frame, maybe a lower time frame? If we can find confluence that different time frames give the same result, for example 15 minutes is also giving a buy signal, well, that's really good. That gives us more assurance that it's going to happen, basically more confluence. We can even go into the detailed analysis and look at the trading indicators, which are all green, signalizing a long trade, which is really nice. We can click on coin information. We can see that the trading volume is down recently, the market cap. We can see all the helpful links that we may need to see. And the other thing we can do, which is very cool, in our chosen time frame, so bear in mind we're now on the 15-minute time frame, is generate a chart. And it will generate a chart in the time frame that we were looking at. And you can see it will give some kind of support and resistance to that price action as well. Another great way of managing risk using AI CoinGPT Telegram bot is by using the scanner feature. Now I have a fully dedicated video on scanner. I suggest to watch this, be part of the series playlist link down below. But we can find coins that meet a certain condition. For example, the relative strength index, the RSI. If we wanted to find things that are really oversold on a different time frame, that would give a good indication that they might be ready to pump because they've bottomed out. So for example, we could see 5 and 15 minute ideal for scalp traders. So let's go by the 15-minute time frame of oversold coins, and we can see all these are currently oversold. Maybe we could look on the 1 hour, for example, as well. Maybe there's some more familiarities. We can even set an alert for when this condition is met. You'll be alerted when coins meet that condition. So a great way of managing risk by using these indicators that you're just simply doing that manually on TradingView would be very, very difficult. Some of the other cool things, you can look at trending coins. You want to see what's popular. That will help with volume. Some other good ways are simply by Ask GPT. So for example, with our example below where we analyze BNB, we could ask GPT some questions on that trade, which is really helpful. So for example, can you tell me some additional take profit levels for this trade to lock in profits early? Just as an example, you can ask it anything, just like ChatGPT, but this is your AI crypto trading assistant. And once again, this feature's free to determine additional take profit levels. So it's giving some advice and some other key levels as well. So this is how you can use AI for free on Telegram, all as part of one very cool, easy to use CoinGPT Telegram bot. Tells you the stop loss, take profit direction. You can do many more things as well. I suggest check out the other videos as part of this series. Once again, link is down below for CoinGPT where you can learn more. Thanks for watching.